Hey, I wanted to share this with y'all. I got these on Wish, and they were about $3 a piece. They might have said free, and then $3 shipping. And some of them, I think, are 33 feet and have 100 of the little lights that I can't focus on. And some of them are 16 feet, and they have the remotes, but the remote don't come with a watch type battery, or I think it's the battery's about like that. And I put one of them in the Shabby Chic chandelier I made, and it's got 8 functions, and steady is one of them, but it don't change colors. I think they have some that change colors. And it plugs in to, it's a USB, and it plugs into either your laptop or just one of those things. And I don't know if I like it better hanging out of the bottom or if I put all the lights up inside of it. But one of the things I don't like for this is the lights go way down the cord, so you have a light pretty close to your plug-in. I guess you could cover them with something, with some kind of electrical tape or something, if you could find something that wouldn't look bad, or if you were lucky enough to have something hang right over the outlet. And because my original plan was to get a light that would go up that and then hang from the ceiling. Of course, I just got it hung up right there. And let's see, what else do I want to tell you about these? Oh, you have to be really careful when you go to unravel them. Here's the first one I was unraveling, and I've got it draped over the chair till I can undo the mess. But I guess the best way would be somebody to help you hold one in and pull it out, or just be careful. Maybe walk as you unroll it. But yeah, I thought that was a good price. And one thing with Wish I noticed when I went back to see if they were $3, it was free with $3 shipping. And so I go back, and now that I ordered a bunch, they're $3 plus the $3 shipping. So I guess that's how Wish works. I don't know. I haven't been using Wish very long, and that's not good. And then I went to the ones I hadn't ordered from, and even if it said free, they're $4 shipping, which that's still not bad. But you know, when you're used to paying $3 and all, you get kind of spoiled to that. But yeah, those look nice. And you know, I wanted something that's not battery powered, because I'm not one to change batteries regular. And like lamps and stuff, they can suck them up pretty fast. Of course, the LED they don't, but are not too bad. But yeah, I like that a lot. And then if I might look and see if I can find some that have an actual plug, and so that way maybe there won't be a light so close to the outlet. And you know, if it had a long cord, I could run it up through the hanger, you know, like you would a regular chandelier. But anyway, I just wanted to share that. That'd be great for some of the things I see people making, where they're using the LED candles and stuff, which are great. But yeah, I like these. They're definitely worth the money. Hit like and thanks. Bye.